and everyone said, oh, Nasty C is a special case. Oh no, he can be American. Oh no, kids need to copy him. The media basically covered Nasty C as if he's like the hip hop messiah, as if he could rap as good as Pro Kid. He can't. We know that. If you look at Zulu Man with Some Power, that's not real Zulu stuff. The art cover looks like Chronicles of Narnia. Big Zulu Man with Some Power album, right? Which has got
Chronicles of Narnia.
You know, it's got what's that? Ari Lennox or whatever on the album, and the picture that they used is an old picture from another photo shoot. So they just took any random picture from one of his photo shoots, made it his album cover, made it Chronicles of Narnia, clean. They've got all these international features, and they think, damn it, how are we going to make this appeal in the States? Oh, let's call it Zulu Man with Some Power, so that they think that it's actually African, and it's got no Africanness in it.
Where is hip-hop going wrong right now?
So that is where it's going wrong. I'm telling you that hip-hop in South Africa is so small that if a guy can be as successful as Nasty C, he then basically validates all the American wannabes. He gives them, oh, damn it, he did that, and he ended up getting signed to Def Jam. And they don't know that he got signed to Def Jam because Def Jam is owned by Universal, and obviously the bosses within Universal locally were able to propel him ahead of Lady Zamar or Prince KB or whoever else at Universal who sells better than Nasty, you know, but didn't have the big Mabala Noise advance or that much money invested in them.
As I feel too sometimes, unothi singambona njengomuntu onomona or something for sure. Into ezikhulumayo it's a fact. Mina angiphikisani nokunye ne, but I think sometimes if like iZulu Man with Some Power make yenze vele aba traditional, like ngalendlela akhule ngayo, the ndlela ebona ngakhona isiko lakhe, the way amaZulu ngakhona, the way amaZulu embrace ngakhona izinto, I think that Zulu Man with Some Power is going to have a dope cover, and I think ngabe yenze impact eAmerica than the way yenze ngakhona impact ngakhona. And I'm not saying maybe Nasty C is not dope. Nasty C is dope, but and Nasty C is a great artist. I won't deny that. I'm not even jealous about that. But all I can say sometimes, as abantu abamnyama siyazikhohlwa ukuthi sisuka kephi, and then masifika kwezinye indawo sifuna ukufana nabantu laba lapho, and then sifuna uembrace iculture zabo. But if Nasty C embrace iculture yakhe kula Zulu Man with Some Power, aphathe spear, aphathe uhawu, and then ayangithola man like nje, yeah, do you get my point? Like umqhele ugcokile, and then afake like i-background ebonisayo ukuthi like he's an African pure